Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil Nissan engine V6 4.0. I have the oil here and the oil filter. I'm using the oil Platinum Polysynthetic 5W30. And the oil filter for this engine. Okay, let's start. First, we're gonna lose this cover right here. We're gonna lose these bolts so we have access to get the old oil filter. Now it's lost. And now we're gonna lose the drain plug for the oil. And now we're gonna drain the old oil. Here we go. Here's the drain plug. We're gonna set this aside for now. It is dark in here. It looks all our oil already drained. Now we're gonna remove the oil cover so the air can get inside. Pull up the dipstick too. And now we're gonna remove the old oil filter. This is the hard part. It's too tight. Not too much room. Yeah, we got the old one. That's the old one. Now we're gonna install the new one. Okay, let's install the new oil filter. And make sure before you put the new filter, you have to clean all the spill, the oil spill from the old oil. And then you have to put a little bit oil in the brand new filter. And now we're gonna put it back, the drain plug for the oil. Yeah, we gotta tie up that bolt. Sorry guys, it's too dark in here. And we're gonna tie it back, the cover. Done. You have to check the manual, the capacity oil for your engine. Every vehicle are different. In this engine, we need 3.5 quarts oil. Make sure you have the right amount of oil. If not, if you overfill, the oil come out in the breather and your engine looks dirty. This is 5 gallons oil right here, and I have to leave 1.5 quarts to get my 3.5 quarts in the gallon. We're done, guys. So we're gonna put back the cover and the dipstick. Wow, it's getting dark. I hope you guys see it good. Sorry about that. So that line is 1.5 quarts. So we got our 3.5 quarts. So we're gonna make sure everything is tight, no oil leak. And we're gonna check our oil filter too. Make sure it's not leaking oil. That means we put it right. Okay guys, we're done. Thank you for watching. Toys ni Batman. Silipin natin.